You're watching Witch Nation with your hosts Braven and Dani February. Hi, this is Dani February.
Braven February.
Hi, we're here to tell you a little bit about our spells we have done tonight. We've done 2 spells on 2 altars, different altars.
These are beginner spells. We're about to post this one in particular on social media, YouTube and IG and witchnation.com.
Right.
So look for it there. We're just going to do these every so often. This is one of the few spells that we have time to do for ourselves. So this is what we like to call an all-purpose spell.
Right.
I'm going to tell you about the significance and everything that's in it real quick.
Very all-purpose. I mean,
it's for luck, health, love, clarity, wealth, protection, and cleansing of negative energy. These are the significance for everything. We start with the yellow candle. It helps us see the signs that the universe is giving us that throw in our path and recognizing them.
It actually does a lot of communication work. It does, it's attraction actually. So I usually put the yellow candles sometimes in my with my red candles in a love spell. It usually helps quite a bit. So anyway, go ahead.
Speaking of love spell, and we put rose petals in there as well. That's blessings in love and relationships. Hyssop, cleansing of negative energy. Horsetail for protection. Lodestone for attraction. High John for luck and prosperity. Lemon balm for romance, and white willow bark for healing. And we arranged the High John and the lodestone alternatively on a regular pentagram and inverted pentagram. Yes. To signify equality, balance, good and dark. Basically, it is to represent manifesting something on our plane of reality. And we're about to post this one, like I said, on witchnation.com, YouTube, IG, all things blessed be. Anyway, go ahead, Darn.